Okay, so this happened the other day. And after spending 10 minutes fishing it out to sea, we realised that it was fucked. But not all is bad. We've managed to find someone who's selling one on Koh Phangan. So we thought we'd kill two birds with one stone, have a long weekend there, and get a new drone. Not 100% on how you actually get on the boat. Okay, so we've made it to the pier. Now we've got to figure out how to book in. Hold on 1 minute, sorry. We just made it by 3 minutes. Getting the speedboat for 300 baht each. Not quite the speedboat there you wanted out, eh?
No.
Couldn't have fit any more people on there if they tried. Now we've got to find somewhere to rent a motorbike.
Yeah, the weather's changed so much.
What do you need first? See how much the bikes are. What? Did he just say hello?
He said Saika.
Said hello in Thai. Not bad for 2 days, 300 baht. This is tiny compared to the one back home.
We've got kitties on our number plate. I figured the seat out. Hooray!
Yeah, so after 10 minutes of trying to figure out how to open the seat, Daisy done it.
Welcome.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
What do you think?
Cute.
It's alright. It's not bad for 18 or £17 a night. Yeah. Give you a proper little look. A little outdoor kitchen bit. Little bathroom. And a bedroom.
I mean.
And here's the real kitchen. You need to cook for yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You can use all the stuff there. And
Perfect.
okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Lovely.
Okay, time to go and get the drone. And we finally found it, we hope.
How happy are you right now?
We got the drone! It was mainly for all the people watching, okay? I didn't want them to miss out. Are you happy?
Static. So glad I got a drone.
Our mission is complete. Say bye.